Hello everyone, welcome back to Maximum Automation. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your TestNG XML reports in Jenkins. In my last video, we have seen how we can integrate TestNG project in Jenkins so that we can trigger or schedule our daily builds to execute TestNG test through Jenkins. Once our project is executed, then the next important thing is to get or verify the results, to see how many test cases are failed or how many test cases are passed. And if there is any test case failed, then what is the reason of the failure? This information is important when we have our daily scheduled builds. When the build is completed, then we'll have the test result where we can verify the state of the application. So to integrate the TestNG results, let's get started. I have one TestNG Selenium project over here where I'm running my TestNG test. Now, if I go to this project, then you can see that we don't have any TestNG report over here. I cannot see the exact test case status for the last executed build. How many test cases were there, how many got passed or failed. To see that information, I need to go to the console output of each build, and that will also display the limited information. So to get the detailed information of executed test cases, we can attach a TestNG report in Jenkins. And for that, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to install the TestNG plugin. To install the plugin, I'll go to the Manage Jenkins. And then under Manage Jenkins, I'll move to Manage Plugins. Then under Plugin Manager, I can search for TestNG. Here you can see that it listed the TestNG Results plugin. This plugin integrates TestNG test report to Jenkins. Once the TestNG report is integrated, then we can see the report directly into Jenkins. And we don't need to open the project folder each time to see the execution results. We can get the report directly in the Jenkins, and then we can share the Jenkins URL with the team or the stakeholders who want to view the test report. Now to install this TestNG Results plugin, click on this checkbox, and after that, click on Install. So this will install the TestNG plugin into Jenkins. And once the installation is done, then we'll be able to integrate our TestNG results. So the plugin has been installed. Now what I need to do is, let's go back to the dashboard. And then let's move to the TestNG project. Click on Configure. Then under the configuration, we need to go to the post-build actions. So as part of the build step, we are running a batch command. That batch command contains the maven test command to run the TestNG test. And once the build step is done or the execution is done, then in the post build action, we'll attach the generated TestNG report into Jenkins. So now let's click on this add post build action. And then from here, you can see the publish TestNG result. We are getting this option over here because we have installed the TestNG plugin. I'm going to choose the publish TestNG result option. And here you can see that it says TestNG XML report pattern. So here in this field, we need to provide the TestNG result XML file path. And if I'll go to the advanced option, then this is my workspace. And based on the workspace, we need to provide the path of our TestNG result XML file. And for that, I'm going to open my project. And here under the project, TestNG reports are getting generated under the target folder. Then I'll move to the Surefire report. Here, this is the TestNG Result XML file, which is generated after the test execution. Now, what we need to do is, I'm going to provide this file path that it is available under Target Surefire Report. So I'll copy this and then we'll paste this here. So I have given the path related to the workspace where TestNG file is placed. You can also provide TestNG result file name only by using the double asterisk sign. If you provide this, then it will search TestNG result file under all available folders and subfolders. But I personally provide the exact path under my workspace. You can use any method to provide the file path. Now let me click on Save. And now let me run the project. So the build has been triggered, and if I go to the build, then you can see that the execution has started. And this will run the test available under the project. Once the execution is completed, then the published TestNG plugin will read the TestNG result file and then will further attach the file into Jenkins so that we can see the test execution results directly over here. Now we can see that the test execution is done. And here in the logs, we can see that TestNG report processing starts, looking for TestNG results in the workspace, a target, surefire, TestNG XML, and then saving reports processing. Now, if I go back to the project, you can see that we are getting the TestNG result. And if I click on the TestNG result over here, then you can see the latest TestNG results. And this is the total test executed. This result is for build number 3. So if I go to this build 3, then you can see the TestNG results over here. It executed one package which contains 2 test cases. And if I click on this runner package, then we can see 2 test cases executed under this class or this package. The first one is for search C# book and the second one is for search Java book. And both these cases are passed. In case there would have been any failure, then the test case would have been marked as failed. And we would have got the reason for failure also. So this is how you can integrate your TestNG results in Jenkins. And if you want to share this report, then you can copy this URL and then replace the local host with the IP address of your machine. And then you can share the URL. So anyone who has access to this project can see the latest execution results. You can also send this link into the auto-generated email sent by Jenkins. You can attach that report in the Jenkins email as well. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please put your comments in the comment box. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.